Dear recruiters, are you looking to hire candidates for multiple roles in your organization? Be it could be IT, non-IT, delivery boy job, or it could be anything. Then you are watching the right video. Here in Teamlease.com offers you 2 free job postings where you can close your hirings in very short time. Let me explain you where and how you can post a free job. Just log on to Teamlease.com and you will be coming to this page. Just click here, post free job. Then if you are hiring for a delivery boy job, then just type here bike delivery boy or bike delivery executive or cashier come delivery boy if you're looking for a person with multiple skills. So you can click on bike delivery boy, and if it is full time, just click on full time. If it is contract, click on contract. If it is part time, just click on part time. As of now I'm clicking on full time. And job role, you can search for delivery, you can select that. And job location, if it is in Bangalore, just come for Bangalore. Sub role, if it is food delivery, grocery delivery, according to your business you can select it. Food delivery, grocery delivery also I'm just keeping it for you. As I have selected Bangalore, sub locations are coming according to Bangalore. I can just keep anywhere in Bangalore so that it will be applicable for all. Qualification, in all qualifications, like for example, if you want any candidate to apply for this role, you can keep any qualification there. And salary, if it is 15,000 rupees to 25,000 rupee, just make it like this. Experience, if you are okay with 0 experience also you can do this. And if you are looking for 1 year minimum, then you can go for 1 year here. Number of vacancies, if you are having 500 or 200 openings, then you can mention that. All the asterisk symbol, this red mark, you have to fill it for sure. And if you are a company, just give your company name. If you are a consultant, just give your consultancy name here. And for example, if you are hiring for another company, your consultant name over here and the company name should be here. If you are an individual, you should click here and you should give your name here. So as of now I'm just selecting company, group of companies. Before coming to the job description part, you best to have a proper JD in a notepad or Word document and just copy paste over here. Or even if you want to type it over here, that is also here easy. It's like we are looking for delivery boys, deliver grocery and for entire city. Salary 15k to 25k. Note, mobile phone and bike is required. DL is mandatory. So like this you can write a number of points. If you want sub points, you can use all these. Add questionnaires to job. For example, if you are having a question to ask specifically, you can also add over here. And for example, if this is not a delivery job and if it is an IT role where a candidate can do this from his home, then you can choose this option, like this job has work from home option. So it will be also posted in work from home job category page when you're clicking over here. So you should give your official mail ID over here and your password. So coming to this category, there is 2 categories. One is free jobs category and second thing is premium jobs, whereas Teamlease.com is offering you 2 free jobs over here. And coming to the premium jobs, you will be getting some additional benefits like visibility will be across the sites, and in alerts like Teamlease is also having partner sites, so your job also will be posted there and you can also access all the responses. If for example hundreds of people are applying for your job, you can access to each and every resume, as visibility is more compared with free jobs. For sure 10x responses will be there compared with the free job. So what you're waiting for, I'll be keeping this link in the description below. If you are hiring for any role, if you are hiring for any company, either it could be a small small company or a big company or mid scale, any company, if you want to just try a job posting and if you want to see the responses and if you want to post jobs further, then just come to the description, click on the link and come to this page, fill the details and hire candidates through us. So if you are having any doubt, I'll be giving the email ID which is employer@teamleasejobs.com. You can always talk to us. Wish you all a happy hiring. Thank you.